Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Dolibarr Connector for OpenCart. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module. Now, add any batch number between 5 to 50. This value will be used to fetch number of records from database in one query. Now, add the domain of your Dolibarr account. Now, add the username of your Dolibarr account. Now, add the password of your Dolibarr account. Now, select the order mapping in Dolibarr. All OpenCart orders will sync to the selected entity type. Now, select the order statuses of OpenCart orders that will be synced to Dolibarr. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now, select Start Date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which OpenCart orders will sync to Dolibarr. Click Save. Now, click Keys button to generate token. Once it will be connected, it will refresh the configuration page and you will see that token are generated. Now, log in with your Dolibarr account and go to Setup. Now click Modules/Applications. Enable the modules, third parties, sales orders, invoices, products, stocks and API/web services, REST server. Now, we will show you the syncing of customers, products and orders. Click the Dolibarr menu and you will see the sync menus. In case these menus are not present, then check the permission from user groups. Now, click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from OpenCart to Dolibarr. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. You can see the synced customer list is present. Let's see them in Dolibarr also. See customers are present in Dolibarr. You need to repeat same process for products and orders also. We have already synced them. Let's see the products and orders in Dolibarr. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.